Kai, what's the best thing about Michelle?
Is it supposed to be design related or anything?
Anything.
Ooh.
Get ready to cry. Do we need to get tissues out? We need a tissue box.
Anthony, our fantastic DIY maker. If I want to make it custom, if we want to make it special, if we want our homeowners to feel like this is us, he's my man. Zara! Laura is our contractor extraordinaire. I mean, literally at the last minute and always, but she comes through every time and introduces me to new things. I'm kind of with it. And Kai is right hand, left hand, hip, I don't know, rib. I mean, we kind of married, you know what I mean? Just a designer with an amazing eye, but knows everything technical. And I'm MSB. I don't know. I just lead this crazy group. That's it.
The best thing about Michelle is his spirit. And I say that because Michelle always feels like home. He doesn't just create spaces that are beautiful that become people's homes, but he will always welcome you and love on you and support you and listen to you. So his spirit just always makes me feel like I'm home.
Thank you, Kai.
Okay.
I also feed you, so you should have said
True.
We eat.
I think the best thing about the team that I get the opportunity to work with quite often is that they're all like bosses. Like everybody's showing here as a representation, not just of like their creativity, but like their business and their business acumen. And it's just really encouraging daily. Like, you know, I feel like iron sharpens iron. So that's what comes out of this beautiful ensemble of craziness daily.
These projects have been pretty big, but I think what's been unique is having to, come up with cost-saving things to make us, expand and be able to do more. And so we've had to be creative with that. But in addition to that, I think what's been different is, Michelle's brought some design things that I've never done. And at first, I'm always like, yeah, that's gonna look amazing. Not. And then I see it and I'm like, okay. This looks really good.
You're getting big, girl.
I know.
You gotta eat a lot of
See
them.
the thighs.
Yeah, see these thighs? I don't miss a minute, that's for sure. No, but seriously, he's pushed, the limits on some things where I'm like, I don't even know how I'm gonna do that, but it's just made me better. And, he's pushed me to do some stuff that I didn't think was gonna work out, but they ended up being amazing.
So you're impressed.
I am impressed. And I
Don't you like
easy.
that though?
I
Like
don't
your
impress easy.
teammates impress you with what they do, so it makes us all pull up, right? And want to deliver even more.
Right.
I mean, obviously the clients are our number one motivation, but on the interior of our team, if one of us is doing something amazing, it only makes me want to be better.
Right.
For sure.